Dear soul, if you're hearing this right now, angels arranged this moment. What you're about to hear will awaken your spirit and confirm what your heart already knows. Let's begin. Your angels are speaking to your heart. Someone is coming back to you. And they won't return the way they left. They're coming with tears, with a ring, with a love refined by time and loss. This is divine restoration. Heaven softened their heart. They prayed for you. They ached for this. Now the universe aligns to bring them back. This time it's forever. If this touches your soul, type, "I receive this miracle." Speak your faith. Angels move faster when you do. They've been quiet lately, not because they forgot you, but because their soul was under construction. God healed their pain, their pride, their confusion. It hurt when they left. You waited longer than you wanted. It felt like something sacred ripped from your heart. But they didn't leave because of you. They left because they weren't ready. They were afraid of real love. You taught them what presence means. Silence made them feel your absence. No face, no embrace could fill that space. They tried distractions. They pretended. But truth whispered your name in empty rooms. They cried in secret. They missed you. That's when angels stepped in. That's when heaven intervened. They saw visions of what could still be. Your laugh, your presence, your light. Now they know. If they don't return now, they might lose you forever. They're coming back with clarity, with courage, with commitment. This time, no games, no excuses. They're bringing lessons, a ring, a vow. They've done the work. God spoke to them. They cried. The answer became you. You are their peace, their prayer, their home. They're preparing, rehearsing what to say, praying you'll forgive. Their spirit reaches for you even before their voice. They walked away once. Now they walk back, healed, whole, ready to honor your love. This reunion is sacred, not just getting back together, but stepping into a future with divine understanding. Every tear you shed was seen. Every prayer heard. Your love helped shape this miracle. You don't need to chase or beg. Just receive. They're returning with vision, commitment, honor, a ring, a promise. Heaven isn't restoring the old. It's creating what should always have been. No more running, no more delays. This is your affirmation, your moment. You are ready. They were quiet for too long, but silence doesn't mean forgetting. They were growing in the shadows, healing where no one could see. They had to lose you to realize what they had. Your love was rare, too deep for their fear, too pure for their pride. They weren't ready to hold it, but now they are. They thought they could replace you. They tried. New faces, new voices, none of it worked. Every hug felt empty. Every smile reminded them of yours. They dreamed about you. They cried over you. They whispered your name in empty rooms. Truth stayed alive. It kept rising through every distraction. Their soul refused to let go. They remembered how you made them feel safe, how your presence was peace, how you listened without judgment. They read your old messages. They heard your last words over and over in their mind, and something broke, not in a painful way, in a holy way. A crack opened where God could reach them, and heaven did. Your angels showed them visions, not of the past, but of the future, life with you in it. A future full of grace. They're not returning to fix the past. They're coming to build what should have been. This time, they're not afraid. They're not confused. They're clear. They've seen the truth. And the truth is you. They've spoken to God. They've asked for signs. And heaven gave them your name. They finally understand. You are their peace, their person, their divine match. They feel you even now. Before the message, before the phone call, before the visit, they're already with you in spirit, reaching out from their soul. They're hoping you'll say yes, hoping you'll let love try again. This time with wisdom, with reverence, with both hearts fully open. They know what they lost. They know who you are. They know what you carried alone, and they're ready to match it, ready to give what they couldn't before. The pain changed them. The silence taught them. God refined them. Now they're not offering pieces. They're offering the whole, the vow, the vision, the future. They're walking back. Not just to love you, but to stay, to grow, to lead together. They're not coming to say sorry. They're coming to say, I finally see you. I'm here to stay. I know what this is now. You felt forgotten. You felt left behind. But God never forgot. The angels never stopped working. You were hidden, not rejected, protected. You needed time, too, to heal, to rise, to see your own worth again. Now both of you are ready, ready to align, to rebuild, not from where it ended, but from where it was always meant to begin. This isn't a repeat, it's a resurrection. The old version of love is gone. What's returning is sacred. It's love that's been tested, tempered, transformed. You're not the same person they left. You've grown, you've healed, you've stepped into your power, and now they can finally meet you there, eye to eye, heart to heart, soul to soul. They
are ready. And you are too. You're not chasing. You're receiving. You're not waiting in pain. You're standing in purpose. This love returns because it's time, because heaven said yes. You'll feel it before you see it. Their energy, their
intention, their courage. They've laid down the ego. They've surrendered the fear. They're coming back with open hands, with honesty, with honor. This love won't run. It won't hide. It won't break again, because now it's built on something holy. Truth, healing. God, this is what you prayed for. This is the miracle unfolding. This is your answered prayer. Let it in. Welcome it. Speak it. Say it out loud. I receive this miracle. Because what you release in faith, heaven returns in favor. It's no longer about what was lost. It's about what's now found. A heart healed. A soul awakened. A love reborn. They are on their way. Not the same, but better, wiser, braver, whole. You're not meeting a ghost of the past. You're meeting the promise of the future. And when your eyes meet again, you'll know this was worth every tear, every prayer, every silent night. This love didn't die. It waited. It endured. It grew. And now, it returns to bloom. The angels are still speaking, still guiding, still preparing the way. You don't need to figure it out. You don't need to force anything. Just stay soft. Stay ready. Stay open. Love is returning, and this time it's forever.